What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to the sickest garage on the platform. We are here today to plastic clean a Nissan Pathfinder, 2010 Nissan Pathfinder. The simple part of plastic cleaning is brushes, find an awesome APC that works, and test it in some area because you never know what it could do. And then of course, I recommend a microfiber towel as well because these are things you need. Let's go clean the plastics.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster.
that was plastic cleaning, and I thought it was so sick. Thanks for watching. Bye.